Samsung Galaxy A8 is a device that Samsung discontinued one day, and it is 7 years old. In all the ringtones. Aqua. Bellboy. Bubble Beat. Chamber. City Lights. Coffee. Yankee. This one's the best. It's a Friday today, by the way. Happy Jungle. Holiday. Ice cream. Kitchen mix. Lullaby. Mood. Morning glory. Orange. Over the horizon. Pianist. Rose. Rush. Shimmer. Skyscraper. Best one for sleeping, by the way. Stairway. I used to be scared of sunset as a kid. Time up. And by far the worst one, wood. Alright, bye guys. See you in the next video. Oh wait, I forgot to do something. Have you beat this numb to not know that this is the Android version of my... Like, if you don't know this, you're dumb. But if you do know this, you may recognize the One UI. This is my device. Don't mind the other apps. This was my grandpa's old phone. So don't mind these other apps. This is One UI version 1. And, well, time to see what's going on in YouTube. Alright, bye guys. See you in the next video. Ha ha ha.